Preston! Preston! Hey!
What were you saying?
Hey! What do I? Oh, shoot, I'll call her tomorrow.
Hey! Get out of there!
Hey, what are you saying? I come down the line of the needle left.
No.
I have.
Oh, no, Icky.
Braxton!
Call her Wednesday night that sometimes, like maybe after Nessa's Friday, she could swing by me and get like my milk. That like I'll probably have like a half a gallon of milk and like almost a whole half a gallon of chocolate milk, and I have like a whole loaf of bread. She's gonna be good. Stuff that I don't want just to sit there and go to bed. Somebody else can eat it or drink it or whatever.
You're the muffin man. I can't do it like you're. Cheryl, did you hear? I mean, Sheena, did you hear her and Cheryl do the muffin man thing? Come here. You have to watch the next one. Come on. Hold on, Cheryl, please walking away from me.
Don't hit the cord!
But well, you gotta watch her face, and that's so freaking serious too.
Vanessa, do you know the Muffin Man?
Muffin man.
The 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 muffin man.